Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.